Hello everyone. Welcome to my English class. Today we would study about singular plural. So let us concentrate. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. For example, there is one lamp on my bookcase and one chair at my desk. In this example, the nouns lamp, bookcase, chair and desk are all singular because they indicate only one. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. When you talk about more than one of anything, you are using plural nouns. Example, this leaf has fallen from the tree. In this sentence, the subject is leaf, the object is tree. The plural of this is these. Leaf is leaves and tree is trees and has changes to have. So the sentence is these leaves have fallen from the trees. Let's learn it by following the rules. Rule 1. Most nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular form. For example, car, cars, bag, bags, table, tables, house, houses, dog, dogs. Rule 2. Singular nouns that end in s, x, z, ch, sh, or, ss form the plural by adding es. Bus changes to buses. Marsh to marshes, tax, taxes, watch, watches, dish, dishes, blitz, blitzes. Excepting, in some cases it will not change. It will only be added as s. Fizz, fizzes, gas, gases, quiz, quizzes, bus, buses, belief, beliefs, roof, roofs. We can notice here few words. In the few words, the letters will come in two times. Fizzes, we can see here double is it. And for gases, quizzes and buses, we have the repetition of consonant here. Rule 3. The plural form of some nouns that end in f or fe is made by changing the ending to ves. Example, half, halves, life, lives, leaf, leaves, hoof, hooves. Except in the case cuff, cuffs, chief, chef, chefs, chief, chiefs, knockoff, knockoffs. Here we can see that it has not changed to VES. In few cases it will be different. Nouns ending in O in rule 4. Nouns that end in O preceded by a vowel are made plural by adding S. Example, radio, radios, stereo, stereos. Nouns that end in O preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding es. Potato, potatoes, echo, echoes, domino, dominoes. Except for the case piano, pianos, photo, photos, halo, halos, soprano, sopranos. Here we have not added es. In few cases it will only be added as s. Rule 5. Nouns ending in y. When the y follows a consonant changing y to I and adding es, the words will change to city as cities, cherry as cherries, puppy, puppies, and so on. When the y follows a vowel, the plural is formed by retaining the y and adding s. Example, day, days, toy, toys, key, keys. Rule 6. Changing the spelling of singular noun. Example, person, people, ox, oxen, foot, feet, mouse, mice. Some nouns use the same singular and plural form in Rule 7. Example, aircraft, aircraft, deer, deer, series, series, means, means, fish, fish, sheep, sheep. So in Rule 7, these words will not change, it will be the same. Rule 8. Some nouns are of Latin, Greek, French origin. For example, nouns of Latin origin, alumnus will change to alumni or alumnuses in plural. Apex will change to apices or apices. Appendix will change to appendices or appendixes. Nouns of French origin, bureau will change to bureaux or bureaus. Chatio will change to chatiux or chatios. Nouns of Greek origin, diagnosis spelling will change it to diagnosis, is will change to es. Oasis spelling will change to oasis in plural, is will change to es. Same for hypothesis, sis last ending word will be changing as es, hypothesis. So children, hope you would have understood the 8 rules for singular and plural. To practice, we'll meet you in my next session. Thank you.